The Fed's really going to like that inflation report that we got this morning. It's Wednesday, June the 11th, and this is Markets with Megan. If you like this podcast, please subscribe. You can hit that alarm bell. You can even share it with friends, family, and colleagues. But we're here today to discuss the economic reading we got on inflation for the month of May, and this is the Consumer Price Index. What we saw that the readings on both the headline level and the core level came in better than expected, and that's the fourth month in a row that we've seen better than expected inflation data. When you look at the year-over-year number, inflation is rising 2.4% on the headline level, and that's in line with expectations. But when you look at the core level, which is important and what the Fed's going to look at, that's going to exclude things like food and energy. That rose 2.8% compared to what the expectation was for 2.9%. So this is good news. The Fed's going to like this. It doesn't mean it's necessarily going to push them to the table to cut interest rates next week. And the reason behind that is when you dig into some of these details within the report, we've seen big declines on a month-over-month basis in things that are discretionary. So when you look at things like airline fares, apparel, cars, both used and new cars, these prices are actually declining for the month of May. But where that sticky inflation is in the service side of the economy, in the housing side of the economy. And these did tick higher for the month of May. So when you look at the housing component, it's rising about 4% on a year-over-year basis. That still is a bit high for the Fed's comfort zone. Now, we'll have plenty more economic information this week. We'll get some more from an inflation standpoint. We'll get some consumer confidence number readings. And all of this will be leading up to the Fed's meeting, which takes place next week. If you want a further history of our podcast, you can go to marketswithmegan.fm. Thank you.